What I'm doing is using some T-pins just to stick in the edges of the queen cage here so that I can put her in between some frames. Welcome back to Hidden Acres Outdoors. I'm Carrie Beth. David usually does the videos, but he's out playing with new tractor toys. I'm sure you'll see those pretty soon. What I'm doing today is requeening this hive for the second time in 2 weeks. I think I messed up the first time. The bees that were in the new queen were dead when I checked on them 4 days after I put her in here. And it didn't look like the bees in the hive were getting through the candy. And they also didn't look like they were being aggressive with her. So I went ahead and let her out. And I believe that was probably the wrong thing to do. But with bees, you just never know. So queen number 2, hopefully she will take off and make some babies. Still lots of bees in this hive, which is promising. They don't seem too mad yet. But I don't want to spend a lot of time in this hive today because they have no queen, and I don't want them to swarm and leave completely. These top boxes still have quite a bit of honey in them and drawn out comb. So that's good news. Nice and heavy. So I still have my queen excluder here, which is where I put her last week, but she didn't make it for whatever reason. And the smoker went out on me. Okay, hold that thought. All right. Sorry, girls. So what we have here is a new queen. She's in a queen cage. She's marked with a little green dot. If you can see in the bottom, there's this white pearly looking substance, and that's candy. The bees in the hive eat through this to let the new queen out, and that means that they've pretty much accepted her. What I'm doing is using some T-pins just to stick in the edges of the queen cage here so that I can put her in between some frames. Alright, and then you put the part with the candy, you put it down so that way she goes out. Sorry, girls. Sorry, girls. And I'm just going to make double sure that I don't see any sign of any eggs or caproot or larvae or anything. But again, I'm not going to spend long in here because they might get real mad. Alright. We had a more experienced beekeeper go through this with me the other 2 days ago. And he didn't find any sign of any eggs or larvae or anything either, so I feel pretty confident that there is absolutely no queen. But we also didn't find any queen cells, so I don't know what that's about either. Alright, girls. Meet your new mama. I know. Here you go. There you go. And just like that, we need to wait about a week before we come back in here and see if they have released her. Hopefully they have. And we may have some eggs by that point. Alright, and just like that, hopefully we have saved this hive, because it is the only one we had left over the winter. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribed. We'd appreciate it. See you next time, Hidden Acres Outdoors. Bye.